welcome to my channel and welcome to Batam, Indonesia. After a 45-minute ferry ride from Singapore, we went straight to the city tour and the first stop is the Laughing Buddha. You can't help but smile along with the joyous face and full belly of the Laughing Buddha. It is one of the biggest Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia. And if you are into good luck and fortune, make sure to burn an incense stick during your visit to the temple.
Yani. You can call my name? Don't forget, it's not like him, lost the person. Kalimantan and Irian Jaya. So we are Sumatra here. So like Kalimantan, the biggest island in Indonesia. So the number one.
Next up is Mahkota Company that sells natural latex products to different countries in the world.
Hi!
Hi! These are my friends. Exploring Batam with my friends.
While sleeping.
Sleeping in a latex mattress.
That will not break an egg, but it will break your wallet.
So since I don't have $140, I'm just gonna lie down here and savor this latex pillows and mattress. The mattress and the pillow feel so good, especially if you have back problems like me. I can actually feel that my spine is getting straighter and my back doesn't hurt. Okay, Jan, matutulog na tayo.
Tutulog na tayo.
But we can't sleep yet because the next destination is coffee tasting. We were able to taste the Bali Gold coffee and the pea berry beans, but I like the pea berry coffee more because it has a richer and more intense flavor.
This one because it's low quantity, so we have no sample for free taste, but we have sample for free smell. Yeah, so later I'll open the slow coffee for you to smell. Yeah.
I bought my own pea berry coffee! Yay! I bought 3 boxes of pea berry coffee beans, but they can grind it in their special machine right inside the factory. You can smell the rich aroma of coffee in the entire place. So if you're a coffee lover like me, you'll definitely enjoy this part of the tour. One stop over before lunch is this snack house, and they have delicacies from all over Indonesia. And of course, they have free taste. I love the seafood lunch. I think we had all the seafoods out there, but my favorite is the crab and the sweet and sour fish. It's so good, especially for that price. The seafood lunch is one of the highlights of the day. We were all starving and we can't wait to taste their seafoods. The food was really delicious and we had the best lunch in Batam. Batam is known for its tasty layered cakes. They have several flavors, but the best for me is the original flavor. First time to experience 3D Illusion Museum. Next up is visiting a batik shop. Batik is a style of wax artist dyeing of clothes, and this originated from Indonesia. And of course, the best way to end this tour is to have a 1-hour full body massage. So we're in Golden View Hotel for the dinner, and I'm so glad because they have my favorite Bintang beer. Hello, good morning guys. This is our second day in Batam, Indonesia, and I'm actually outside the hotel because there are a lot of smokers inside. I'm waiting for my friends Ace and Jan to wake up so we can have some good breakfast, and later today the coach will pick us up at 12 p.m. to catch the 2:10 p.m. ferry ride back to Singapore. It will only take 40 minutes to an hour ferry ride, so by 4 p.m. I think we're already in Singapore. I can say that I had so much fun in the city tour yesterday. Yanni, our tour guide, was very accommodating and very kind. I did not expect it personally because Batam is a small city and it's a developing town, but the city tour was so much fun. We're staying in Golden Bay Hotel. We got the package for 50 Singaporean dollars only, and that's inclusive of two-way ferry, city tour, 3D museum. I had so much fun there, and a seafood lunch. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious, and I think it's so cheap here in Indonesia, especially here in Batam. And also one night stay in Golden Bay Hotel. Luckily, my friend booked that cheap package last week because we were seeing packages for $62 or $69 for the same inclusions, but we got it for $50 only. Overall, Batam is a great getaway from Singapore. Firstly, because it's so near, and it's fairly cheap if you will be able to get packages like ours. I'm gonna go back to my room now and check my friends if they're already awake so we can have some good breakfast. Enjoyed this travel vlog as much as I did, and if you did like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Happy travels!